Whopper Burgers and Justin Bieber. Both very cheesy, and having too much of it will make you sick.
Girl, you won't believe it. I just waited 3 hours in line to get myself a Whopper burger. That's nothing. I once waited 7 hours in line at a Michael Jackson concert. Really? And nobody bothered to tell you that he had died a few years back already?
Auntie Sophie, we're going to Burger King to get some Whopper burgers. Can we get you one?
Don't bother, Jay. Life is too short to stand in queues for hours. If I could live my life over again, I would spend less time queuing and more time with friends and family.
Yeah, me too. If I could live my life over again, I also would like...
Eric, if you're going to live your life over again, please go do it overseas, far away from me. I hear Afghanistan is quite nice this time of year.